Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to switch your Straight Talk service to another phone, SIM and eSIM swap guide. Step 1. Check your new phone. Make sure your new phone is unlocked and work with Straight Talk. Charge the phone and connect it to Wi-Fi. Second one is sign in to your Straight Talk account. Open the Straight Talk website or app, then sign in with your account. Third one is choose transfer service. Select activate, then choose move my existing Straight Talk service to keep your current phone number. Then fourth one is enter your new phone's IMEI. Dial star #06 hash or go to settings, then about phone to find the IMEI, then enter the IMEI on the activation page. Fifth one is set up your SIM or eSIM. For a physical SIM, enter the number of your new Straight Talk SIM card, then insert it into the new phone. For eSIM, choose eSIM, enter the digital IMEI if asked, and follow the on-screen instruction to download the eSIM. Sixth one is confirm the transfer. Check that your phone and plan details are correct. Then tap submit or activate to start the transfer. Seventh is wait for the transfer to finish. Wait until your old phone shows no service. This means your number is being removed to the new phone. Eighth one is restart the new phone. Restart your new phone after the transfer is complete. Then wait for it to connect to the Straight Talk network. Thanks for watching.